If you watch one video, you will earn $2.80. And if you watch 10 videos, you will earn $28. You will get $2 watching a single video, and you can make up to $100 a day watching these videos. And I have a secret trick to automate this thing, which I will tell you later in the video, so watch the full video. As we watch hundreds of videos a day, but we make nothing. But by using this secret website, I will tell you how to make money by watching videos. So like this video, and let's start with step number 1. So hover to this website where you can make money by watching videos online. I will tell you the name of the website later in the video. But wait, here you can see an average user can withdraw up to $10 every day by just giving their 30 minutes of the day. And as you can see, this website has paid over $400,000 to the users of this website. Means if you spent 2 to 3 hours of the day watching the videos, you can easily earn up to $100 per day. So to actually start making money, click on register account and write a unique username here. And write your email address, password, and then confirm the CAPTCHA and check on agree with terms and conditions, and then click on register. Your account has been created. Once you registered, log in to your account, and after you log in, you will be redirected to the dashboard, and you can see that this website has an excellent rating and is the verified company by Trustpilot, which means that this is the legit website to make money online. And the best thing is that you can withdraw your money by PayPal, Amazon account, or directly in your bank account. And to start withdrawing your money, you just need to have $2 in your website's account, which is really good. Now to actually start making money, welcome to step 2. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Earn in the right corner of the dashboard. Here you can see that there are several ways to make money. You can make money by completing offers, playing games, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, by watching videos, and many more. But today we are focusing on to make money by watching videos. So to do this, click on Watch Twitch Streams option, and don't worry, you don't need a Twitch account. To do this, just click the option, and you'll be redirected to a page where several videos are stored, and most of these are gaming videos, like GTA V, Minecraft, PUBG, etc. Comment down below your favorite games. So click the video you want to see, and when you click the video, it will start to play, and while you are enjoying your video, you will also earn money per minute. Here you can see, you will get 2 coins every minute of the video you watch. So if you watch 10 minutes of video, you will get 20 coins, and 2 coins is equal to $2.80, means if you watch for 10 minutes, you will get $28. The value of coins can be different according to your country, as if your country is more developed country, you will earn more per minute. If your coin's value is low, you can simply set the video quality to 160p. It's the lowest quality of the video, by the way. So by clicking the settings button in the video tab, click on quality and set it to 160p. Now, the secret trick comes, which I told you at the starting. If you have 2 devices like a phone or a laptop, you can use your laptop to play videos in the background and save your time. You just have to do one thing, which is to just change the videos as they end. You can watch up to hundreds of videos in a day without actually watching them by yourself. This trick is very helpful for those who want to work on 2 things at a time. And now the third step is that you can use the watch clips option to watch shorts and small clips of these videos, as you will get 2 coins every 5 minutes you watch. So to do this, you need to install Livestream app on your Android or iOS device. Here you can see you will get $1 to $10 coins per 5 minutes you watch. And all the money you make by watching these videos will be added to your account. You can easily withdraw the money to your bank account. You can also use the Listen to Music option, download the Global Radio app on your device, listen to your favorite music, and make money every 10 minutes you listen. And if you want to make money by playing games, doing surveys, or completing offers, you can simply go to Complete Offers section, click the option, and then here you can see there are plenty of options to make money, like by downloading this Flappy Bird game. And by completing some offers, just go to the Offer Providers option. Here you can see there are many offers to make money. Just go to AdSentMedia.com, and here you can see many applications by which downloading them will make you earn money. On going up, you can click the video option. You can see that there are different types of platforms where you can earn money by watching videos online. Step 4, now click on Lootably option on the home page. You can see that there are different types of apps for you mobile devices. Go to the video section. It will show you all the different categories of videos. There are also gaming videos, DIY videos, food videos. For example, if I would like to watch gaming videos, I will click on gaming videos options. I will be redirected to loot.tv's login page. I'll just click on sign up option. And once I'll sign up, all the videos I will watch on loot.tv, the money will be transferred to the main website. From there, I can withdraw the money. So finally, I'm going to show you the name of the website, which is rewardy.io. As you can see, this website has a 4.6 rating on trustpilot.com. Step 4, so how to withdraw the money you made by watching videos. So just go withdraw option in the main page. You will be redirected to a page where our different types of withdrawal methods are here. You can withdraw your money by PayPal or your Amazon Pay account, bank account, or much more. So yeah, that's how you can make up to $100 per day. This is the only method to make money online by this website. So yeah, that is for this video. If you made money by this method, leave your reviews in the comments. Thanks for watching.